In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Groupon gift card. Start by opening your usual web browser on your computer or phone. In the search bar at the top, type the word Groupon, then press Enter. The search results page will load and you should see Groupon listed near the top, usually with a short description mentioning deals or local offers. Take a second to confirm you see the official Groupon listing, so you know you are heading to the right place. Once the results are visible, click the correct Groupon link to open the site. When the Groupon homepage loads, look toward the top right corner for the Sign In or Log In option. Click that and enter your email address and password, then confirm. After you log in, the page will refresh and you should now see your name at the top of the screen, which tells you that your account is active and ready to use. Now move your mouse to your name at the top of the Groupon page and hover over it without clicking yet. A small drop-down menu will appear under your name. In that menu, look for the option labeled Gift and move your mouse over it, then click the choice that says Gift Card. When you click it, Groupon will take you to the dedicated gift card page and you should see different card styles or designs displayed. With the gift card page open, select your preferred gift card design and dollar denomination. Click on the design that you like so it becomes highlighted or outlined. Then look for the amount choices, such as preset dollar values, and click the amount you want to load on the card. Many beginners forget to adjust the amount, so confirm that the displayed dollar value matches what you want to spend before moving on. Next up, click Buy Now if you are on the website, or tap Buy at the bottom if you are using the app interface to add the gift card to your cart. After you click or tap, you should see a brief confirmation message and either a small cart icon updating or the app moving you closer to checkout. This tells you the gift card is successfully added and ready for payment. At this point, choose the payment method you want to use, review the fees, and click Pay to proceed with payment. On the checkout page, select from the available payment options such as a saved card or another listed method and make sure the details look correct. Take a moment to read any service fees or taxes shown next to the order total, so there are no surprises. When everything looks right, click the Pay button and wait a few seconds until you see the final confirmation screen that shows your Groupon gift card purchase is complete. You have just learned how to find, customize, and purchase a Groupon gift card from your own account. If this helped you grab a Groupon gift card, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more simple guides.